All right. Hey, class. Here we go. Day two. Today, I'm hoping to run you through two things: updates on daily lesson for where we should be pacing wise for the day. And then two, the update I got just within the last hour on attendance and kind of help make sure that you guys are all set, ready to go for next week. So first things first, here we go. If we come down to our current class agenda, let's blow this thing up. We're going to fast forward all the way to Friday. Happy Friday. Warm up. Go for a walk outside. Again, we got this. Everything's going to be okay come on Monday. For us, for the action item, our number one thing we're looking to do is to outline that argumentative paragraph. And then last but not least, questions come up, let me know. I got you. Going over the specifics exactly, research at this point is done. Every single one of you should be done with both 2 secondaries and 2 primaries. All 4 should be included into Noodle Tools. So your MLA teamwork side is ready to rock and roll. What's we got here? Finalized a team guiding question. Had a couple of emails on this. It sounds like a lot of you guys are still working through that guiding, or what I probably should have said is essential question. No worries. If there's anything I can do, let me know. I'll update things within this Google slide again as I get updates. And we're working towards on this, working forward. No worries. We got this. The one thing, though, it does help you out immensely when it comes to the writing structure and the writing format. 100% transparency and honesty with you. Why are you doing this writing paragraph? You're doing it because it checks off a ton of federal, state, and local kind of mandates and requirements that we need to do. And again, just a heads up, I am currently using the same exact format with my grad school, and I am getting good remarks and getting good grades. Currently, I think I have a 3.9 or a 4.0. I'm not 100% sure, but it's no less than 3.9 currently. So it's working as a guinea pig, test driving or piloting this for you at that next level. And again, that's my whole thing, is hoping that you guys are ready to kick butt going forward. So that's why we're doing it. Also, when it comes to just the requirements for the class at the most basic level, you guys are crushing a lot there. So here's what we got. The outline itself is the last 2 pages of your unit packet. So you'll find it there. Unit packet, again, is linked on the front homepage of our website if you need it. You're answering your question. That's the argument you're making. So the example I gave down below here was, I think I gave an example I sent that earlier today, was you're going to say it's the greatest, it's the most. It was the something that's, again, argumentative. And if you have questions, let me know. Ultimately, you're allowed to say whatever you want to say, as long as you back it up with evidence, because that's, again, what makes somebody intelligent. And no, you do not have to have the exact same argument the rest of your teammates do. You guys did completely different and separate research. And to be honest, you could have completely different perspectives depending on the sources you went to. So again, you're allowed to make different arguments there. Last but not least, make sure you are citing your evidence internally. How you do so, put the author or the person who's being quoted, their last name, and then a comma, and then the date on which the quote, whatever was posted or the article is posted. It is possible, very possible, that some of you guys went to websites that will not have the author and they will not have the date of access. If that's the case, give me the website name at the bare minimum that you have there, so at least we can give credit where credit's due. If anybody decides they want to get ahead, Monday's already been posted for you guys. Our next week's schedule, again, we're finalizing Pure Edit, as well as the finalized draft of your written statement, and directions on that are already located here on the Google Slides. And then we're moving towards, for the most part, project-wise, the rest of the week. I do have us at 1 day stopping just to finalize all those formative assessments that you guys were doing while the sub was in here. That week I was out sick. Those 2 on the Weimar Republic. And yes, it is Weimar with the W. And then there is a new assignment, just a heads up, that'll be dropped on Monday the 9th. That one assignment, again, will not be graded until the 20th. So I'm going to give you a ton of time to do so, but it's a reflection based on our stock market game we did in class, where I'm going to have you kind of reflect on how things have been impacted since coronavirus has dropped, how it might change long-term strategy, as well as interview another adult in your life about strategies that have worked or helped them financially. And again, just try and help you guys out for the future there. Let's come back to the website. Here again on the right, you can see yesterday's screencast. Again, I get super nervous once I see this green light up here for you guys, but hey, it's for your education, so I'm doing what I can do to help you out. Again, I have been able to update all the links that I needed to for your examples, so those should be live and be accessible and ready for you. But let's finalize here, last but not least, with attendance. Going forward, starting on Monday, which will be March 9th of 2020, we will be taking attendance twice a week for this class. And what I've done here at the very top is it says all U.S. history students, please answer this question at this link here. If you click on this link here, what's going to do is going to take you over here to a Google Forms. I decided not to use Google Classroom. I just wanted to streamline everything to our Google Sites and make it as easy as possible for you. So what I've done, you'll enter in your email address, your name, and boom, you'll answer, for the most part, one question every single or twice a week, every week, kind of going forward here. And the questions aren't necessarily meant to be difficult. It's just a means for me to be able to check in with you, and then from there, be able to understand how I can better serve you, and then also be able to get attendance taken too. I will post these by 9 a.m. of every Monday and every Thursday, again, so that you have these ready to go when you wake up. And then I will then be grading them or checking them off 48 hours later or so. I can't do the math on that, about 9 p.m. on Tuesday and Friday. So again, 9 p.m. Tuesday and Friday will be when I'm checking. So if you decide that you are going to sleep until 6 p.m., like one of my sixth period students said that they were going to do, you're good to go. I have already got one response back. So thank you to that student in first period to be the first one that's already answered this. And again, it is live. It's ready to go. What else do I have on here? I think for the most part, that covers everything attendance-wise. That covers your lesson for the day. Anything comes up, please email me. I'm responding back to emails as quick as I can. And again, I appreciate all you guys' hard work from home. If there's anything I can do to help you out, please let me know. Here we go. Day 2. Go Jags. Have a good day, guys. Take care. Have a great weekend.